How to send friend requests to someone on Facebook if there is no option available. This tutorial shows you alternative methods when the Add Friend button is missing. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Next, search for the person's profile using the search bar at the top. Following that, tap on their profile to open it. Now, if you don't see the Add Friend button, this usually means they've restricted who can send them friend requests. Moving forward, check if they have a public profile by looking for the Follow button. After that, if the Follow button is available, tap on it to follow their public updates first. In addition to that, once you follow them, tap on the three dots icon on their profile. Once there, a menu will appear with additional options. Subsequently, look for Add Friend in the menu options that appear after following. Moreover, if the Add Friend option shows up, tap on it to send them a friend request. After that, this method sometimes works because following them first unlocks the friend request option. Then, wait for them to accept your friend request if they choose to do so. Within their profile, you can also interact with their public posts by liking and commenting respectfully to get their attention. Alternatively, if their profile is completely locked or restricted with no follow button available, there's unfortunately nothing you can do about it. Once their privacy settings are that strict, you'll need to wait for them to send you a friend request instead. And that's it. If this friend request workaround helped you connect on Facebook, please like the video, subscribe for more Facebook social tips, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.